Hey everyone, my name is Brian, and back in the 90s and the 2000s, I was a photojournalist for several car magazines, covering Porsche, Mercedes, and Corvettes. Along that time, I acquired this beautiful 1967 Porsche, and I've enjoyed restoring it. Well, I recently found myself the proud owner of a 2001 Porsche Boxster S6 speed. Now, when I picked this car up, or when I inquired about it, the gentleman said it had a misfire. That was about it, but it ran and it was good. So we decided to meet. We met in a parking lot, which looks like he had it towed there, because when I went to start it up, well, it smoked and it clanked and ran horrible. But for the price I bought it for $600, couldn't go wrong. So let's take a look at this car and see how bad it is, and let me know what you think at the end. What could be wrong with this motor? And can we restore it? Can we fix it and enjoy it? Let's check this car out. What we got here, even the key is jacked up here. Get that in, and it has these funky aftermarket headlights, kind of like the Triptronic. All right, let's see what we got here. It does have the nice wheels on it, although not correct. Alright, let's see. Oh, fabulous paint job too, it looks like. And the micro switch for the door doesn't open. It'll come down, and oh, the seats look like a big old boy's been in this car. Okay. Well, we know the alarm works, huh? Alright, I'll pop that. Battery's working. Let's take a look what we got. Well, obviously there's no oil in the car. Not sure if you can see that right there. Yeah. Has a aftermarket radio in it. The shift knob there. Oh, there it is right down there. Wow. Definitely been rode hard and put away wet. Do we even dare start this? Well, let's find out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, foot on the clutch. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, definitely clanking noise. And definitely smoke. Well, that is our 2001 Porsche Boxster S. So we went back later to pick up the car after making the deal with the gentleman, and I brought along a friend of mine to help me expedite this. The convertible top worked just fine. That was actually kind of nice. I was a little fearful that would not be working. And kind of late in the day, we had a tow strap. We don't live too far from where we met, and so we decided just to take the truck over there and a tow strap, and we would tow this puppy home. Let's check this out. So it's time to tow this baby home. The sun was setting. It was cool out here in Phoenix, probably just 105 degrees. And slowly but surely, we got this car home. I will never be able to start it around my neighbors because of all that smoke and that clanking noise, but at least she's home. So, this is my 2001 Boxster S. What do you think is wrong with that motor? Think it's just an IMS? Think it's just an AOS issue? I doubt it as well. But leave a comment below. I'd be interested to know what you think's the problem. And when we get to that point where we tear the motor down, we'll go check it out and report back to you. But seriously, what do we do with this car? Do we strip it out? The headlights are good, the hood, the fenders, the doors. The body on this car is almost beautiful. Could probably make our money back easily. Or do we pull the motor and rebuild it and upgrade it? Do we put in some goodies, some performance options and make it fun? Or do we just pull the motor, get a replacement used motor and put it in and enjoy the car as soon as we can? We bought it for about $500-600 bucks. We're already ahead of the game if we part this out. Used motors run about $3,500 to $4,000. We can put it in now. So comment below, let me know what you think. We'll see you in the next episode.